Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 12 and 40. For finding the LCM of these two numbers, we are going to use the prime factorization method. In this method, we divide numbers using prime numbers and find the factors of the numbers. For finding the prime factors, we are going to divide these numbers using prime numbers. First few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. A factor is a number which divides a number completely without leaving a remainder. As the two numbers are even, we can use first prime number 2 to divide both the numbers fully. So 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0. Again we can use 2 to divide the two numbers. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 10 is 20. 3 is a prime number and 10 is an even number which is divisible by 2. So write 3 as is and we'll divide 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So first we'll use 3 to divide 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 5 will be as is. Now 5 times 1 is 5. So both the numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM of the two numbers, we are going to take the product of all the factors on the left hand side of the ladder. So LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So LCM is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and 24 times 5 is 5 times 4 is 20, 2 carried over, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 24 times 5 is 120. So LCM of the numbers 12 and 40 is 120. Let's erase this. So this is how, by using the prime factorization method, we can find the LCM of any number easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.